Hey guys, so you're probably wondering how to add XM to TradingView, connect XM to TradingView. Now, let me be completely honest with you and I'll show you how you can also use, XM. So, the first thing is you cannot directly connect XM, a broker account, to TradingView because XM is not actually a supported broker for direct integration. To use XM with TradingView, you can use it for charting purposes and analysis. Then you can manually place trades on your XM platform. What we could do is you could integrate it with things like MT5, MetaTrader 5. You just go here, you download it, and then you come at the top left, click on File, click on Open an Account, and then you can just search up XM Trading right here, as you can see. Click on Next, and then what I want you to do is connect with your existing trade account. Enter your login details, your user ID, your password, choose your server, and click on Finish. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.